Roch.
Yes.
Roch. Philippe Roch.
French style.
Philippe Roch, bienvenue
Merci.
à Zurich. Welcome to our audience here at Zurich at Meta Performance Talk. Philippe, how was your journey?
Quite good. Wake up quite early, but it gave me some time to already check some campaign because we have some A/B tests running through Meta currently, and we have also some new structure management. So I had to check if everything was running good, and actually it did.
Great.
Yeah.
You are head of digital marketing, media and content at Migros. Just maybe about a couple of words about your role.
Yeah, so I started at Le Shop in 2019, and we switched in 2020 to Migros Online. And for Migros Online now, I'm in charge of all the media part, but the media part, but also the content and the design part. So it means all the marketing activity you can see for Migros Online is done through my team. And it's quite a really interesting journey, I would say.
I would say 99% of our audience knows Migros. Who is Migros? But just by your words.
From my words, I would say the first retail, Swiss retail, I would say. And I think, like you said, most of the people know, maybe not about Migros Online because it's quite new for some. We know that, but it's, let's say, all the e-commerce part of Migros.
Now I asked you about your journey from Lausanne to here. Now let's make a journey into the future.
Yes.
So the next big things, or the next big thing in social media or digital marketing in general?
Definitely it will be AI. Definitely artificial intelligence.
Good answer, because it fits with my next question.
Okay.
AI, everybody's talking about it, and it's quickly becoming one of the most exciting technologies for marketers. So how do you see AI, and especially also automation, shaping the marketing industry over the next several years?
I think it already changed the landscape in a way, because most of the people already use it, even if they don't know, because AI automation sometimes it's a bit blurry where you can put let's say the border, but I would say it already like I said changed, for instance regarding generated content, or regarding, for instance, all the performance, the understanding also of our field. And I think for us marketers especially, the challenge will be to really know when we will be able to use it if we need, because AI is really nice, it's really a good colleague and a good challenger, but you still need human to really interpret it. So I think you have to challenge it and to fix boundaries, as I said.
I like this idea, AI as a colleague, I have to say. It's nice to hear. Now in a few words, what tools or creative formats are you leveraging to connect with customers? Some other tools, especially also regarding the creation?
Yes, so for already a couple of time now, we are using especially Meta Shopping Advantage Plus, who really provide us really interesting performance. And definitely we are using AI here to really leverage and to better, let's say, target our audience. Regarding the assets itself, we are using, some generative AI, for instance, to be able to generate different headline, different content, ad copy. Really interesting. And we are also using the conversion API. It's really something, I think now it's really our core, the core of our structure, because it's really nice to have more AI, but in a way, sometimes it could be tricky to really know what works well. And with the conversion API, we are able to really fill this gap and to better know, okay, what works or not.
Have you brought a campaign, an example to us that you're just, you mentioned something, but just a concrete campaign you have running?
Yeah, so I hope, maybe not, but a few months ago, we launched new features on Migros app regarding e-com functionalities, and we talk about that through our app goes e-com. So yeah, I hope you see it, but maybe not, it's okay. And for this campaign specifically, we had two goals. There was one, to really spread the word to our audience, an awareness part to say, hey, now you can buy through the Migros app. It was really something really mandatory for us to give to our audience and also our current Migros customer. But also we had to really reach a high engagement on the lower funnel. And to be able to do that, we had to create a complex campaign, and we needed a strong support on Meta side through all the video ads format with rich real story format and also the video ads to really be able to fulfill this goal. It was our axis, and to be able to know if it was really good, we even did a brand lift study to know, because the awareness part is always tricky to handle. Was it really interesting or not? And on our case, it was really good with Meta. It was really, I would say, quite shocking regarding the performance. And yeah, so now we know for a new campaign, the video ads, the new format also, and all the new features Meta launched is really something interesting for our campaign. Yeah.
You told me you have 3 kids.
Yes.
Have they already written their wish lists?
Some, yes. Not the little one, but yes.
It's time, because holiday season started.
Yes.
How important it is for you and how engaging?
For an e-commerce, definitely this is, seasonality is really a big challenge. On our side, it's already few, let's say, season. We decided to go through dynamic headline, for instance, and also to highlight the season by also the asset. So meaning we have dynamic framework and also overlay to really be able to highlight the seasonality. Plus we have a dedicated product feed where we will make some combination with headline, with some assets, overlay, and the product. And for instance, this summer we had really good performance. We are running currently a new one for the fall season. And this is now really part of our media strategy. So we plan every season to have this kind of test. And because it's, especially as a retailer, because we don't want to push a specific brand, we have to push everything. So how we can do that? And to try also to avoid ad fatigue, we need to try to really talk about some specific, product, I would say.
Do you have a wish for Meta?
A wish for Meta? It's tricky. Yes, there is some wish. For instance, on my side, I'm working really a lot dynamically through our product feed. So definitely to have more and more features regarding, for instance, video generation, regarding also to be able to have more control also on some let's say, overall campaign type, but definitely to continue what we are working with them, and I think we are on a good basis.
How do you measure success? Because I read before at one of your LinkedIn posts also that measurement is very important for you.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, like I told you, it's really nice to run some campaign. It's really nice using AI, but in the end of the day, you really have to be able to trust what you have. Because even if you have some report, sometimes it's really tricky to figure out in the whole marketing mix how it goes. And on our side, from beginning of 23, we implemented the conversion API, and we linked it directly through our GA4 structure. And just by implementing this conversion API, a month after that, we were able really to increase, let's say, the outcome of our purchase event by 17%, and also the add to cart KPIs by 23%. So it's just to show sometimes you can also miss the gap between especially Facebook and Google, because this is not the same structure. So it's not like some other provider. And now we have better confidence, and we can really understand better what we are doing, and also obviously to better optimize our performance.
Philippe Roch, at the end of our talk, very interesting talk, maybe you have an advice to our audience from your really great experience you have with all these campaigns of Migros.
Mm-hmm. I would say really to run A/B test, really to make a strong A/B test roadmap, and really to try to push really every month, at least maybe 1 or 2 months, but really to challenge what you can really think. Because sometimes, I mean, again, we did, for instance, an A/B test with the last features of Shopping Advantage Plus, and the result was quite interesting, and it definitely wasn't what we thought at first. So I would say test, and just learn.
Test. A final word.
Yes,
from
definitely.
Roch. Many thanks for this interesting talk, and I guess many great takeaways.
Merci,
Philippe. Good.